In today's video, I'll show you how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. Checkboxes are perfect for creating task lists, tracking progress, and organizing your work more effectively. To get started, open Microsoft Loop and navigate to the page where you want to add a checkbox. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor. Now, type a / on your keyboard. This opens the Insert menu. From the list, select Checkbox, or simply type the word Checkbox and press Enter. You'll see a checkbox appear instantly. Start typing next to it to add your task or note. You can create multiple checkboxes by pressing Enter after each item. To mark a task as complete, just click on the checkbox. You can also drag checkboxes to rearrange them or combine them with other Loop components for better organization. That's it. You've successfully added checkboxes in Microsoft Loop. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy productivity tips.